Welcome my dear 7th class students. Welcome to e-learning class. We learn chapter number 9, direct proportion and inverse proportion. Today we learn 9.3 inverse proportion. Let's learn what is inverse proportion. Some volunteers have gathered to dig 90 pits for a tree plantation program. One volunteer digs one pit in one day. If there are 15 volunteers, if there are 10 volunteers, how many days taken to dig the pits? One volunteer digs pit in one day. If there are 15 volunteers and 10 volunteers, if there are 15 volunteers, they will take 90 upon 15, 6 days. 10 volunteers, they will take 9 days. When volunteers decreases, more days they are required, and if the number of volunteers increases, fewer days are required job. This example is inverse proportion. Let's see what is inverse proportion. When one number increases, other number is decreases, and when one number is decreases, the other number is increases. This proportion is called inverse proportion. Inverse proportion means Marathi व्यस्त प्रमाण. See next example. Some girls solve problem set. Sudha has to solve problem sets. See this example. Suppose Sudha has to solve 48 problem set in a problem set. If she solve one problem every day, she will need 48 days to complete the set. But if she solve 8 problems every day, she will complete the sets in 6 days. If she solve 12 problems a day, she will need 4 days. This example see in the chart. Suppose Sudha has to solve 48 problems in a problem set. Examples 48, solve every day and need days. One problem set need 48 days. When she solve 2 problem set every day, she needs 24 days. When she solve 4 problems every day, she needs 12 days. She solve 12 problems every day, she needs 4 days. This example is inverse proportion. Inverse proportion, product is constant. 48 ones are 48, 2 into 42, 24 twos are 48, 12, 4 into 4, 12, 48, 12 into 4, 48. Product is constant in inverse proportion. Next examples, workers and their work. Workers build a wall. Workers build a wall. How many days taken build a wall? Example, build a big wall, workers and need days. Workers and need days. 15 workers need 8 days. 12 workers need 10 days. Workers 30 need days 4 and workers 24 need days 5. If the number of workers is double, the number of days decreases. So this example is inverse proportion. Here product is constant, workers into days, 15 multiplied by 8, 120. 15 8s are 120. 12 multiplied by 10, 12 10s are 120. 30 multiplied by 4, 120. And 24 multiplied by 5 is equal to 120. Product is constant in inverse proportion. This example is inverse proportion. See how solve this example step by step. First we write this example is inverse proportion and the product is constant. Let us suppose 12 workers take x hours. Workers into days, 15 into 8 is equal to 12 into x. 15 8s are 120. 12x. We taken 12 left side, right side remaining x. 12 10s are 120. 10 is equal to x. Answer is, thus 12 workers will take 10 hours to build a wall. Next example is in class activity. Student made magazine. A 40 pages class magazine is to be written if one student would require 80 days to write it. How many would 4 students require? Solve this example. Inverse proportion and product is constant. Students made 40 pages class magazine. Student into days, 1 student 80 days, 4 students x days. 80 ones are 80, 4 into x, 80 upon 4, 4 taking left side, 4 20s are 80, 20 is equal to x. 4 students require 20 days written to be class magazine. Next example is students picnic. Student went to picnic farm by a bus. Student of a certain school went for a picnic to a farm by a bus. Here are some of their experience. In this example, we see bus speed and collection money inverse proportion or direct proportion. Collected money, each student paid 60 rupees as there were 40 students. 40 into 60, 2700 rupees. Had there been 15 students, 15 into 6, 3000 rupees. In this example, when students number increases and money is increases. There were 40 students collected 2700 rupees and 50 students collected 3000 rupees. Student and rupees are in direct proportion. Student went to picnic by a bus. The sweet shop near the school gave 90 laddus for the picnic. Aha, laddus. Sweet shop gave 90 laddus. If 40 students, each will get 90 upon 40 is equal to 2 laddus each students. 2 laddus when 40 students. If there are 30 students, each will get 90 upon 30 is equal to 3 laddus. When number of students decreases, laddus is increases. Student and laddus are in inverse proportion. Inverse proportion. Students went to picnic by bus. See bus speed example. The farm is 120 kilometers away from the school. The speed of bus and the time is taken. If speed of bus is 40 km per hour, took time 120 upon 40 is equal to 3 hours. When speed 40 kilometers, taken 3 hours. When speed 60 kilometers, taken bus 2 hours. This example, speed and time are inverse proportion. When speed 40 kilometers 3 hours, when speed 60 kilometers 2 hours. Next example is the farmer picked 180 boars from his tree. Helper picnic sweet shop. The farmer picked 180 boars from his trees. He gave them equally to students. If 45 students, each students get 180 upon 45 is equal to 4 boars. If 60 students, each students got 180 upon 60 is equal to 3 boars. In these examples, students and boars are in inverse proportion. When students' number increases, the number of boars is decreases. Let's see problem set 38. First example is workers weed a field. Example is 5 workers take 12 days to weed a field. How many days would 6 workers take and how many would 15 take? This example is inverse proportion. Let us 6 workers take X days and 15 workers take Y days. Here I make a chart for workers and days. 5 workers 12 days, 16 workers X days and 15 workers Y days. 16 workers and 15 workers. 5 into 12 is equal to 6 into X. 60 is equal to 6X. 60 upon 6 is equal to X. 60 divided by 6, 10 is equal to X. 10 days required for 6 workers. 5 into 12 is equal to 15 into X. 60 is equal to 50Y. 60 upon 50, I taken 50 left side, divisor. 15 ones are 15, 15 fours are 4. 4 is equal to Y. 4 days need for 15 workers. And 6 days, 6 workers, 10 days. 6 workers will be taken 10 days and 15 workers will the 4 days. Next example is book reading of Mohan Rao. Mohan Rao took 10 days to finish a book. Reading 40 pages every day. How many pages must be read in a day to finish it in 8 days? This example is inverse proportion. Let's the number of pages read be X in days. Make a chart for pages and days. 40 pages 10 days, X pages in 8 days. 40 into 10 is equal to X into 8. 400 is equal to 8X. 8 taken left side divisor. 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 40, 8 zeros are 0. 50 is equal to x. Answer is 50 pages should be read in 8 days. 50 pages should be read in 8 days. Next example is Mary went to auntie's house by cycle. Mary cycles at 6 km per hour. How long will she take to reach her auntie's house, which is 12 km away? If she cycles at a speed of 4 km per hour, how long should she take? Mary went to auntie's house by cycle. This example is in inverse proportion. Let she take x hours at speed of 6 km and y hours to take at speed 4 km. Here I make a chart. In this example, speed into time and is equal to distance. 6 km x hours to 12 km distance and 4 km y hours for 12 km distance. Speed into time is equal to distance is constant in this example. So 6 into x is equal to 12. 6x is equal to 12. I take 6 right side as divisor. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. X is equal to 2. 2 kilometers. When speed 6 km, take time 2 hours. Next 4 into y is equal to 12. 4y is equal to 12. I take 4 as divisor right side. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Y is equal to 3. When speed 4 km per hour, she takes 3 hours to go to auntie's house. Mary takes 2 hours to speed 6 km and 3 hours to at 4 km per hour. Next example is stock of grain in government workhouse. The stock of grain in a government workhouse lasts 30 days for 4,000 people. How many days will it last for 6,000 people? The stock of grain. This example is inverse proportion. Let the stock of grain last for x days for 6,000 people. Here I make a chart for this example. Persons and days. 4,000 persons 30 days. 6,000 persons x days. Therefore 4,000 into 30 is equal to 6,000 into x. 4,000 multiplied by 30. 4,000 multiplied by 30 and taken left side 6,000 as divisor. I cut 3 zeros. 6 1s are 6, 6 5s are 30 and 4 into 5 is equal to x. 4 into 5, 4 5s are 20 is equal to x. The stock of grain in government house. The stock of grain will last for 20 days for 6,000 pupils. 4,000 pupils 30 days and 6,000 pupils need x days. Students, what we learned today? Inverse proportion and examples of inverse proportion and practice set 38. Today's homework is practice set 38. Thanks my dear students. Stay home, stay safe and study regularly.